How to log into Federal Bank online banking. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and go to federalbank.co.in. Then you want to click on the login option and click on net banking. Then select your account type. Then click on continue to log in option. Over here, you will have to enter your login credentials. So enter your user ID, then enter your password, then enter your mobile number. After that, you will have to enter the verification code. Now click on the login option to log into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, you have the option to retrieve it by clicking on this link. Over here, you will have to enter your user ID. Then enter your card number. After that, enter your ATM PIN. Now you will have to enter your expiry date. Then enter this verification code and then click on the continue option, and from there you will be able to reset your password. Now let's head back. In case you have forgotten your user ID, click on this link. Now here you will have to enter your 14-digit account number, then enter your registered mobile number. After that, enter your verification code and click on the continue option to retrieve your user ID. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.